Hello friends, welcome to Shrirams. The topic for today's discussion is India's Science, Technology and Innovation Policy 2020. India's Science, Technology and Innovation Policy 2020 is under preparation. Wide consultations are taking place with all the stakeholders. There is an urgent need to develop 5G, nanosciences, Internet of Things, Fourth Industrial Revolution technologies, life sciences and gene editing and so on to be a world leader. The Economic Survey 2018 has a chapter on how India can become a global science and technology leader. It talks about the need to gradually move from being a net consumer of knowledge to becoming a net producer. The Union Budget 2020-21 set up a national mission on quantum supremacy with Rs 8,000 crore budget. In this context, it is relevant to have a bird's-eye view of India's commitment to science and technology post-independence to its earlier policies. 4 major policies have been implemented since independence, namely Scientific Policy Resolution 1958, Technology Policy Statement 1983, Science and Technology Policy 2003, and Science Technology Innovation Policy 2013. The next one, Science Technology Innovation Policy 2020, is under preparation. Scientific Policy Resolution or SPR 1958. India adopted a policy on science through the Scientific Policy Resolution in 1958, 11 years after winning its independence in 1947. The policy document was the brainchild of the then Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. SPR proposed to train enough science and technical manpower to fulfill the country's need in science, education, agriculture, industry, and defense. Technology Policy Statement TPS 1983. Based on SPR 1958, India built a strong foundation in science, including atomic energy and space sciences. During the 1980s, strategic and front-running technologies became increasingly difficult to import. By now, India had constructed a strong industrial and agricultural base and had also developed a qualified pool of scientific manpower for technological self-reliance, improvement in conditions of weaker sections, and the speedy development of backward regions. Science and Technology Policy or STP 2003. India had already promulgated and implemented scientific policy and technology policy, but by the beginning of the new millennium, it was felt to combine both science and technology in a single holistic policy. Its highlight was the importance given to public awareness of science and technology. Science, Technology and Innovation Policy or STI 2013. India declared 2010 to 2020 the decade for innovation. It became imperative to weave science, technology and innovation together. The new paradigm of the Indian STI 2013 is science, technology and innovation for the people. With the help of these policies, since our independence in 1947, India has been successful in building an impressive ecosystem of science, technology and innovation, or STI. An STI ecosystem includes universities, public and private research bodies, and human resources. We have over 800 universities, 40,000 colleges, 2,000 research and development institutes, and over 5 lakh science professionals. Some of the top scientists, technologists, and CEOs of the world have been beneficiaries of our science and policy ecosystem. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's podcast.